In today's video, I'm going to show you how you could add products in Shopify. Now, the first thing you're going to do is, of course, log into your Shopify account and look over here on the left side. You have this set of tools. What you're going to select is, of course, the option products. And when you select this, as you can see, over here in the center, this is where you will be able to add, import, or find products to sell. To be able to add your own product, you're going to have to click on add your products over here, this option over here that I am selecting. And after that, you will be able to add details about your product. You have, of course, the title and description. You have the media, what your product looks like, different types of photo about your product. And you have your pricing over here. For example, you say the price is going to cost 1,000. And the compared to price is the price that it will compare the original price to, or basically this price over here. So if I say it's 1,500, it will now say that from 1,500, it's been lowered or discounted to 1,000, which will give it an illusion that they will be buying discounted product. You will be able to also add like a cost per item over here. You will be able to track quantity of your inventory. This is the quantity over here. So if you say 10, you will have 10 stocks displayed on your product. You will also be able to have some shop locations and all of those stuff. You will be able to continue selling without stop, or you could enable this. You could put in the weight of your product. This is required for shipping. And you have your different variants over here. And over here on the right side, you have the status. If you click this, you have draft and active. So right now, it's currently active. So when we finish and publish this will be published on the stores immediately. But if you do it on draft, it will not be published yet. We also have here the options of where it will be published. If your Shopify is connected to multiple stores, let's say other e-commerce platform, they will be able to, or you will be able to publish it to those stores as well. And you will be able to put in your product category, your product type, the vendor, collection, and tags. Then you have your online store over here. After completing this, you can simply click on save over here on the top right, and you will be able to have, or you will be able to add this product to your store. And as you can see, guys, over here on the products, we can now see that the product that we have just created will now appear under the product section over here. And then you could do multiple things with this product. You could select this, and you could either edit it, set as active, or set as draft. You could also archive it, delete it, include in sales channels, exclude from sales channels, and many more options over here that you could explore. And you can see here on the center, the amount of inventory or stock, the type of store that it is published to, and then you have here over here as well. Similarly, you have Philippines and international. If you want to choose to sell it internationally, you can select that as well. And you have your store over here as the vendor, as you can see here. Then you can simply add another product by clicking on add product over here on the top right. And that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.